Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya, uleto bagi Sorkar Maharashtra kalau menjur ban ai ke Jaka bentai ke Meghalaya House betemai han Navi Mumbai, hagador Sorkar bah nyuklur. Haga Jaka ke beri kedor yo bah kendai poklur tengka. Bat ke Telangana ru kalau keluar ban ai ke juk ke Jingtai ha Hyderabad. Habai keren begini untuk kubor konrat kongkal sang mau loong bagi ni Jingtai gendai nak bentagi pat ba. Bakin syakri kam tam ki samla pulie kinong pang bakinong song snong kiblet don kam syakini ki sor metro kum ki guest house bailat kambo ni ki brio ke badan kam ke jaka bakin sa bat ula betha ki officer bakin jingbot halor kani ula penpau ke jing sngo komen ban pentep bagi Sorkar Maharashtra kala ai kene ke jaka ke dor Sorkar bat uti kena bagane ke jaka batamai ken long ke jing mantoi ke bakrawi ki brio jong ke jela sho upentep bah ke jing de yo ke jat jong udang Shen ha Hyderabad uli kendo yu menteri rangba ke Telangana bat tho sithi ban kerpat ke jaka namar ke Hyderabad ke de ke wei ke sor badan bun kinong song snong jong ke Meghalaya bat menteri rangba ke Telangana ulu menjur ban ajaka ya ke Meghalaya ha Hyderabad bante ya ke Meghalaya House ke ban siyo Shen ke jubab de ke jing tho haba jing khen ki project ke bandang wan u konrat kongkal sangma ulu ong bagan de ke senjam ke besngu tenat bah haga ba an sayo ki Meghalaya House batmai nalor ke Greater Noida ha Uttar Pradesh bat ha Bangalore ke jaka batmai ha Navi Mumbai ke jaka ha Hyderabad bat an sepentri ru ya ke Meghalaya House batmai ha Velor ke bagi kam jaka kin sedang no Shen bat ke jingtai badan mentah Velor an sepentla no kum ke guest house ba ai wai kat ba ke jingtai kadang sedang.
The government of Maharashtra has agreed to give land to government of Meghalaya for the construction of a new Meghalaya house. The land which was there, which was a new land which has been given to us, was at a rate, the market rate was about 90 crores. I had appealed and requested to the Honorable Chief Minister if that land could be given to us at government rate, which is at about 7 crores. And it's obviously a huge difference. I'm happy to inform you that the government of Maharashtra has agreed, and we are getting that land at 7 crores and not at 70 or 80 crores, the market rate. And I'm sure that this new land which we're getting in Maharashtra, this is going to be Navi Mumbai side, will be of great benefit to our people, and we expect that we'll be able to create a larger public area for it. I have been very clear with my team that this should be more on a public oriented Meghalaya house, more towards a guest house, more towards allowing students and patients and other people who require that place to come in. So I think that's something that we are really pushing. So I expect that process also to close very soon. But again, this is good news for us. I also would like to share that in my recent visit to Hyderabad, I got an opportunity to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana in Hyderabad. And I have also written a letter and appeal to him that if the government of Telangana could give land for Meghalaya House in Hyderabad, because again, Hyderabad is one of the metro cities, technically speaking, and a large number of our population is there. And I'm very happy to inform you that the Honorable Chief Minister has very readily agreed to give land to Meghalaya in Telangana, in Hyderabad, for the construction of Meghalaya House. So we should be getting the written response very soon. Verbally, he has given a commitment to us. And the terms and conditions also, I'm very hopeful, will be very, very favorable for us, which I don't want to share right now. But once we get the formal letter, I will be sharing all the details. But definitely, it's a very positive step where another new Meghalaya house, apart from Noida, Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh, then Bangalore, where we are about to finish the renovation of the new Meghalaya house, and then the new land in Navi Mumbai, and the new land in Hyderabad, and also the construction of the new Meghalaya house in Velore will also take place. The work for that also is going to start. We're going to shift the existing space into a guest house area, which will take on rent, and we'll quickly construct the Meghalaya house. So these 5 new projects under Meghalaya house for the people of our state who normally go to these different locations will be deeply benefited from these new infrastructures coming out.